Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Klarna affiliate program step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Klarna affiliate program website. Look for the join or sign up button on the homepage. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, read through the terms and conditions. Check the box to accept the terms. Next, you may need to verify your email address. Go to your inbox and locate the verification email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Klarna affiliate program website. Log in using your new credentials. Now, complete your profile by providing additional information about your website or social media platforms. Describe how you plan to promote Klarna's services. Submit any requested documentation or identification. After submitting your application, wait for approval from the Klarna team. Once approved, log back into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access affiliate links and banners. Select the promotional materials that best suit your audience. Copy the affiliate links provided. Finally, integrate these links into your website or social media channels. You are now ready to start earning through the Klarna affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.